Hey, what's going on, guys? Wolfie here. Yeah, before this video starts, I would like to apologize for how short it's going to be. I'm actually having some issues with my GoPro. For some reason, the audio was just, like, super weird, like, echoey, sounds like I'm yelling in a tunnel. Currently working with GoPro right now to see if I can return it and get something new, but this video is going to be a little bit short. Sorry, but I just wanted to get something out for you guys, because I know everybody's here bored in quarantine. But, yeah. This is like a little bit of a video. Later on, you'll see by the title and the thumbnail, someone actually almost knocks down the Nashville Airsoft wall on far side. It's pretty funny. Everything's okay. We're all good. I talked to the ref. I told him that they almost knocked it down. Nothing else was said after that, so I'm pretty sure they fixed it. But, yeah, Nashville Airsoft. Enjoy the gameplay.
Alright. Well, my first time, I jacked my knee up because somebody fell on it. So, you know, don't have anybody fall on your knee.
I'd be worried about falling on somebody else's knee.
Yeah, right.
I'm a little too big. I'll go straight, go straight, go straight. Sorry, guys.
Good job, bud.
Thank you. We gotta peek at the same time.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh, I can't hear anything on my ear now.
I can't hear anymore. Yep. That's loud, that's loud. They almost knocked down the wall. Did you see that? He almost knocked down the wall over there. I think it's leaning now. The red big wall on the other side of their spawn.
And that's going to wrap it up for today's episode. I know, guys, it was short. You guys kind of heard the audio issue. I tried to edit it out as much as possible, but still, it's just a big impact because the audio is, well, it's the audio of the video. It has to be there or you're just going to have a muted video. I had to switch it over from my RunCam audio all the way to my GoPro audio, just trying to make it as viewable as possible. Next time we go, I promise I'll have the audio fixed. But I also have 2 more games coming out that are from this day, so the audio will be broken for another 2 videos, but as soon as I can get it fixed, I will. And if it's not fixed by next time we go, I'll just use my old GoPro. There's no problem with that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for everything, all the support. You guys are amazing. Love you guys. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.